guys, I'm Ina from 4D class. So now I would like to show you how to make a paper bag, and it's so easy and so simple to make it because all the materials are so easy to find at your home. So are you ready to make it? Let's get started.
The first step is fold the paper the left side into the right side and leave a little side at the right side and crease it like this, and fold the paper in the little side and crease it too. And then put some glue in the little side like this. Make it carefully. And then don't forget to cut the little side like this, just a little bit like this. And then fold the big side into the little side and crease it like this. And then fold the bottom of the paper until 5 into 5 until 6 centimeters and crease it. And then make a triangle in both sides like this. Like this in the other side. Crease it, don't forget. And then open it to make a new triangle like this. Fold the bottom side into the middle like this. The other one like this. Don't forget to crease it. Don't forget to put some glue like this. And crease it. And then fold a little bit the right side like this. And then the other side, do the same thing like this. And then open the bottom of the paper like this. Make a shape of the paper bag like this. Like this. Make it carefully like this. Crease the line of the paper bag. And fold the like this. And then my paper bag is done.
And then my own paper bag is done. So by the way, this is my first DIY video, so I need your participation to like and comment this video. Thank you. Bye bye.